But I think I'm gonna continue this vlog for the next couple days. But I think I'm gonna make a whole separate vlog for this New Year's vacation. I just want to apologize for being MIA. It's because I'm moving right now. So like everything's been off. But just wait, moving vlogs are coming. Okay, get back to the video. Hello everybody. Okay, so today I thought we would do a little get ready with me for New Year's. But to be honest, those videos are always so boring. Like I never want to click on them because I'm like, bitch, I don't give a fuck about what you did on New Year's. I don't care about how you went clubbing or out with your friends, okay? Like I was sitting home alone. You know what I mean? I just never really watch them because I'm like, I don't care about what you and your friends did. That's not this video today. First of all, I wasn't even supposed to be in New York celebrating New Year's. I was literally just gonna do what I always do, just sit at home alone like I do on every single holiday. But I was in bed yesterday night and it was 12 a.m. and I was like about to go to sleep, and my mind started racing and I was like, should I like go to New York for New Year's? And then I was like, okay, when's that? Let's book the flight. And then I realized New Year's Eve was literally that day, and I was like, oh, like I don't check the calendar, right? So like I don't be keeping up with the dates. Like I'm acting like it's an event. I don't keep up with the calendar. So I hopped out of bed and booked my flight. Are we surprised? No. Now we're in New York. Do I have any actual plans? No. I literally just texted everyone I knew here and I said, hi, what are you doing for New Year's? Like after I was already on the plane. But I just thought we would get ready regardless. I don't know if I actually have plans or not. I just thought like I would be in New York, make it, you know, fun and like festive. Literally, this looks so bougie, but this was the cheapest hotel I could get. Like I was scouring the web for like 30 minutes trying to get a bunch of different deals. This was the cheapest one I could find, but it's so nice. Let me film this first. Today I'm gonna be glowing up for New Year's. All right, I'm gonna be getting ready for the today I'm gonna show y'all how I get ready for New Year's. All right, starting off with the Charlotte Tilbury. All right, starting off with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. All right, starting off with the Charlotte Tilbury. All right, starting off with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter for that really glowy base. As y'all fucking heard me, I'm starting off with the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter just to have a really glowy underbase. Oh, and then I moisturize with the Wishful Honey Balm, by the way. This is so good. These two together, I've never used this before, but I'm just gonna hope that it works. This is the LA Pro Conceal HD High Definition Yellow Concealer, and this is supposed to like brighten everything, so I hope it works, because if not, I'm just gonna have a bunch of yellow shit on my face. Ew, how does that look? Probably not the best. Let's take a booty blender. The black beauty blender is kind of elite. Oh my god, I have to upload a video at the same time while we do this. I'm like tapping the fucking mouse pad as I tap this beauty blender because my brain can't comprehend what's going on right now. Okay, focus. Wow, this requires a lot of brain power. I feel like Albert Einstein right now. Like, is this how he feels? I'm just gonna try to do one at a time. Doing two was a little too much for me. Now I'm gonna put some bright on the nose because I want to brighten that area. Oh, very much brightening effect. All right. Dior Air Flash. Oh, this is the best. And I just add a little bit more to the spots that really need it, so i.e. the places that have a lot of acne, and then I'll just like lightly tap it in. This foundation is so good. I forgot how good it is. It literally just makes it look like how it describes it, like airbrush, flawless. Like I just love how when you spray it on, like you don't have to blend it a lot, you know what I mean? Like just the way it goes on, you could just leave it. Very good foundation. Now we're gonna go in with concealer. I got a new concealer. This is like honestly my favorite now. It's the Revlon Color Stay Skin Awaken. I'm gonna use the shade 40 on my acne scars. Should I zoom you in? I'm gonna use the shade 40 on my acne scars here. Oh, by the way, if you like didn't click two things together yet, I'm sorry I didn't explain. This is about to be a cake face moment. Like a bitch isn't trying to be natural right now. Like it's New Year's, you know what I mean? Like come on, we can be natural any other day. Then I'm gonna go in with a little brush and kind of just tap that in my acne scars. I feel like a brush just gives higher coverage for that stuff, and then use a beauty blender to just blend out the edges, so I don't actually tap the acne, if that makes sense, just the edges around it, just to blend that in. But that way it gives the acne like a lot of coverage. Oh my god guys, I can already feel it. I can feel that this makeup look is about to be snatched. Like, can we already not see that this is good? I wish this lighting was a little bit better, because I'm telling y'all, my face looks beat right now. Oh my god, like this is so good. Okay, so for under the eyes, Huda Beauty with a little hoof, baking the under eye and the acne. Y'all, the face is looking flawless right now. Oh my god, I haven't done like this much baking to my face in so long. I used to do it every day for my makeup, which like snatched, but also at the same time, it was just a lot of makeup. But if you need your makeup to stay on, you gotta do it. For contour, I'm gonna go in with the uh-oh, I thought I brought the shade that I usually wear. I brought a brand new one. I don't know which one this one is. I'm gonna use, whoopsies, my battery died. Okay, anyways, So I just baked my entire face. And now I'm gonna go in with the Revlon colorway, I don't know, the same concealer but in shade 75. And I'm just gonna put it right here. Now I know you may be like, what the fuck are you doing, Mai? Trust me on this one. Oh my god, do you see that? Now if I blend this out, my face is about to look snatched. This just creates like the most dramatic cheekbone effect. I'm literally just pouncing my beauty blender in one spot. It looks gross, right? But then you just switch it and then you just keep tapping. I saw this girl on TikTok do this hack and I was like, oh my gosh, her cheekbones look so good. And then I tried it and I was like, cause look, okay, well, if I blend that in a little bit more, it just makes the cheekbones look snatched. For the nose, I'm gonna add a little bit right here. Just gonna blend this in. I'm gonna go in with powder, but I'm just using cream as a base. I'm gonna lightly powder my face to set a base. Going with the Vonnie Gregg contour. I'm gonna try a new technique. Usually I swipe, but this time I'm just gonna try to pat. I don't know if I like how snatched my face looks. Like I look scarily snatched, you know? Maybe I'm gonna blend this in a little bit and then contour and carve it out with banana powder. Guys, this is an experiment, okay? I'm gonna add a little bit here though because I don't want my face to look super, super wide. This one's been baking for a minute. I'm gonna blend these two together. I think it's looking good. So now that I have like all of that done, I'm gonna do a liquid blush and then a powder blush. But before I do a liquid blush, I don't wanna put it on top of all this powder and it like not blend in. Wow, wait, let me put the flash on. Can y'all see this? Oh my god, that looks so good. All right, I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury setting spray to make my face wet. All right, this is my favorite blush right now. This is the NYX Sweet Cheeks. I went to try this for TikTok and it actually turned out to be really, really good. A lot of y'all on TikTok were asking me what blush it was. It's this one and it's in the shade Baby Doll. And I know a lot of people want to try to make their face high cheekbones, but I like to put it in the center and also high because I like to have like a short mid face. And then I'm just gonna blend this in with a beauty blender. I like to put a lot of blush because blush always fades off for me. I don't know why, but I think it's because I sweat so much that like it's where all my pores are and then it just like fades away no matter what blush it is. But I love this shade. Oh my god, wait, is my thing here? Hi, I'll come to the lobby. Okay, be right back. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. I got it. I just realized I should probably put on my dress before I do any of my eye makeup or anything because that is just gonna get so messed up if I like try to put the dress on. So I'm gonna drink this, put everything on, and then come back to you guys because, well, not drink it all, but get some energy. I gave up, but do y'all see this eye makeup? Oh my god, I literally used my fingers to just apply a little bit of eyeshadow, but y'all, these lashes, the way that I applied them, they're the Pompadour ones by Kiss. Oh my god. I haven't done anything on my lips yet, but I'm obsessed. Are y'all obsessed? Because I'm obsessed. But now I need to figure out something to do with my hair. I'm like, okay, so do I curl it? I don't know what to do. I think I'm gonna put some dry shampoo. Well, not dry shampoo, but this like volumizing thing. Did you just see my crotch?
Did you guys see my cooch and my butt? Say yes if you did.
It's like this spray, a thickening spray in it. Just to give it more volume. Cause like, do I just leave my hair down? So I feel like my hair looks good down as well, but I feel like it's like always down, you know?
2 seconds later.
Okay, so I just painted my toes white because I'm wearing heels and then I put these fake nails on. I haven't done this in so long. I feel so like girly. I don't know. I like don't. I just realized I put my nails on and I haven't put my necklace on yet. Oh, hopefully I can do this. Actually, this clasp is pretty big. Okay, but I'm pretty glad with how everything's turning out. I thought I would wear this necklace because my shoes have like gold accent on it and this does too. Okay, period, sis. It up. Oh, earrings, okay. These Dior ones. Daniela got me them for my birthday. Little gold hoops. We're going for a very classy girl moment. Very different from my outfit this morning. But we love a girl that can do both. I think I'm just gonna leave my hair down and go buy some dry shampoo because I can't be bothered to curl it. I like tried and then I was like, oh, this is gonna take too long. And it's just gonna get like all messed up anyways. I still need to do my lips. For perfume, I'm gonna use this Tom Ford one. It's like vanilla. Okay, we're gonna do a lip color. What? No. I want some of this. All right, I just overlined my lips a little bit using the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, but I need to go buy some dry shampoo before I go out because my hair is looking so flat. So I want to be able to like refresh it up a little bit, but then we're good to go. My friend is almost here, but I'm just using Ellie Thuman's lip gloss. She came out with like this makeup line. Well, just like a gloss and a spray, and oh my god, the gloss is elite. This is the full outfit reveal, by the way. What do we think? I'm wearing like these heels, but I just think it's very simple, cute, like not too much, kind of giving body. The dress has like details on it, if you can see here, and it's just like asymmetrical, so it kind of like gives something, you know? What do we think? I have such a wide rib cage. I literally look like a brick from the side, but who cares? Not me.
Man's been on Instagram Live for like 10 minutes now, acting like it's FaceTime. Like, sir, there's people all around you and you decide to be on Instagram. Am I a bitch? Man's is in the corner FaceTiming bitches, like.
I'm making friends. I'm talking to girls. At first I got here, I was very awkward, but I've talked to like every bitch in that room now, and we're all best friends. I just broke nail. It's alright. I'm prepared for this. I'm literally just...
She said make Instagram casual again. I'm fixing my shoe. This is the behind the scenes of casual Instagram, everyone. I think New Year's is overrated.
Oh yeah, it's so overrated. It's so overrated to the point where it's just kind of like a joke.
3:28 a.m.
Hello. I am back from a night out. Did I enjoy it? Yeah, it was fun. Something that I'm gonna do every week? No. Every month? No. I would say like once a quarter. So like once every 3 months, I definitely could do, but I could not see myself doing this often. It's just like exhausting, you know? Why do we not hang out during the day? I mean, I do. I don't hang out, period. But like, why does it have to be so late is my question. Also, these lashes and contacts were definitely the move. Like, I'm gonna continue to keep wearing them. Anyways, time is currently 1 a.m. in LA, which is bad, but it's 4 a.m. here, which, the sun's gonna rise in a couple hours, isn't it? Okay, well, I'm gonna take my makeup off.